Fresh Louisiana seafood is renowned for its delicious flavor and quality, but getting access to it can sometimes be a struggle for consumers. Many fishermen and processors want to meet this demand with quality frozen seafood, but are unsure about proper processing and packing techniques to bring their great products to market. The Seafood Processing Demonstration Lab is poised to bridge that gap and help move Louisiana seafood beyond the commodity food chain. As the state's only seafood-focused facility of its kind, the lab houses commercial food processing equipment for demonstration, training, and research purposes. The goal is to help potential and existing seafood processors explore opportunities and new concepts for processing, packaging, and value-added seafood products. To accomplish this, Lab co-directors Thomas Email and Dr. Evelyn Watts will offer a variety of outreach services, such as training on food safety and sanitation to help processors implement effective good manufacturing practices. Opportunities to interact with state-of-the-art processing equipment allows participants to learn best practices and determine investment potential. By demonstrating new types of processing and packaging methods, hands-on classes at the lab can create real change, extending quality and enhancing the appeal and availability of seafood products to increase off-season sales potential. They also generate new business opportunities for fishermen by offering alternatives to low-price commodity sales. Products created and developed here will add value to the fisheries industry, improving resiliency. The lab plays a role in research efforts by providing a space for preparing samples by LSU and AgCenter faculty and other partner institutions. Finally, the facility acts as a seafood hub to assist with redevelopment and restoration of processing facilities in areas affected by recent hurricanes. With the help of the Seafood Processing and Demonstration Lab, Louisiana is poised to move beyond the commodity food chain and become a leader in seafood processing technology, education, and outreach. Learn more about scheduled group training at the LSU AgCenter online store.